Hello everyone, I am the Math Mom and I'm here today to show you how to add fractions with different denominators. Okay, in the previous video I showed how to add fractions with the same denominators, which is very easy. Those are called like fractions. And these ones are just fractions with different denominators, which is a little bit more complicated. So like always, I'm going to write down on the top what it is we're doing. Okay. We are adding fractions. Don't mind my handwriting, okay? It's pretty difficult. So to recap on the previous video, and you might wanna, if you didn't catch that video, then this will help you out a little bit. A like fraction is very easy to add because the denominators are the same. So basically 1 over 5 plus 3 over 5 equals 4 over 5. You keep the same denominator and you just add the numerators, and it gives you 4 over 5. Okay, so those are like fractions. That's very easy. And when you have a regular fraction, you have to bring it to adding fractions. You have to bring it to a like fraction before you even add it. Okay, in order to do that, you have to do two things. You have to one, find the least common multiple, okay, of both the numbers, and number two, you have to rewrite, okay, the fraction as equivalent fractions with, okay, the least common multiple as the denominator. Okay, so if you have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4, you have to figure out how to match these denominators and make them like, okay, or make them the same. Simple. How do you erase this? La 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 la, boo boo boo. This is really small. We should make these a lot bigger. La la la. This is the first time I erase, so I don't think I'll be doing this again on a video, okay? But we got there, okay? So with that said, let's go back to what we were doing, all right? Let's do this in another color, okay? So we have a fraction. We have 3 over 8 plus 1 over 2. As you can see, the denominators are different. So we have to get them to be the same. In order to do that, we're going to go on step 1 and find the least common multiple of both of them. The least common multiple of 8 and 2 is 8. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply, okay, each fraction to make by a number to make the denominator the same. So 3 over 8, we're going to multiply that by 1 because we're keeping the 8 since that's the least common multiple of 8 and 2, right? 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 8 is 8. So we're going to keep that the same, okay? Now, what number do we need to multiply by 2 to make it 8, right? We're going to multiply by 4, okay? 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8, okay? So there you go, guys. We have made these fractions into like fractions. Now you can add. Okay? Now remember, when they are like, the denominators are alike, you just keep the same denominator and you add the numerators. Okay? And that is the simplest form, so we don't have to reduce. Okay? I hope that's making a little bit of sense. Let's try another one. Okay? Let's try 3 over 4 plus 1 over 5. Okay? Again, the denominators are not the same, so we have to get them to be like. In order to do that, we find the least common multiple. The least common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. What do I need to add to multiply with 4 to get 20? 5. So 5 times 3 is what? 15. And 5 times 4 is 20. There is our 20 that we're looking for, right? Now what do we have to multiply with 5 to get 20? Is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. And 4 times 5 is 20. Now we have our 20, right guys? So what we're going to do is keep our 20, okay? Add our numerators, which makes it 19. Now, that is our simplest form. Therefore, the answer is 19 over 20. Easy peasy. Okay? Let's do one more. Okay? One more. Let's do 1/2 plus 3 over 10. Okay? Least common multiple of this would be 10. So we're going to multiply that by 1. And we're going to multiply this by 5 to make 10. So that equals to 5 over 10 plus 3 over 10. Right? Which then equals to 8 over 10, because we kept the same denominators and added the numerators. I cannot say this word for anything today. Now, we have to simplify 8 over 10. So it's simply going to be 4 over 5. Alrighty? If you learned something from this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to see some more. I'll see you next time.